Quick update today on Pulsechain. I think I might have found a way to get some Pulse, possibly, and I'm going to show you how to bridge some assets over the Pulsechain bridge. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, before I start, everything in this video right now is very risky. Very risky. I just want to put that out there. If you just, none of it's financial advice. I am doing this as a test to see if it works. That's what I'm doing. Do not suggest that you do it, but I'm going to show you and try it as to just a test. Okay? I really don't suggest this, but there is this option where it's gasbridge.anvil.app. I'm going to try it with a little bit of ETH. What you actually do is you deposit some Ethereum, and supposedly, we'll read it here. It says, Solution GasBridge is a platform that lets you trustlessly convert ETH into Pulse through a cross-chain dual contract escrow system executed by the escrow agent. I'm going to do this to see if it works. I do not suggest that you do this. Users that have ETH and want Pulse will deposit ETH into the escrow contract. Users that have Pulse and want ETH will deposit Pulse into the contract. Minimum is 0.005 ETH. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put, this is a separate, just a burn account metamask. I'm just using this just for this one time. I'm going to connect my wallet, and I'm going to do, let's see, 0.005. Let's do 0.006 ETH. And then deposit. And then that, hopefully I'll get me enough Pulse to, once I bridge my other assets over to Pulsechain, use that Pulse to swap for more Pulse, if that makes sense. This thing is, it's very risky. Where you're depositing ETH into this contract, this escrow contract, and then at the when this timer's up, then you can redeem Pulse. That's what it's meant to do. I am doing this now to try it. I'm going to put this video out, and hopefully tomorrow morning I'll come back and be able to redeem it. Then I can show you that it works or if it doesn't work. I really do not suggest you do this. None of this is financial advice. I'm going to, the reason is there's no way to get Pulse. There's one exchange that I don't want to sign up for that you can buy Pulse from. I saw this on Twitter. This guy here is Gold Key is posting this, showing this this bridge, gas bridge. I'm doing this to try it with a couple dollars to see if I can get enough Pulse so I can do my transactions on Pulsechain after I bridge my other assets over to Pulsechain. Be super careful with this stuff because it says right down here, only use the gas bridge if you can tolerate these risks. Only you are responsible for the outcomes from participating. Okay, we're going to bridge some ETH over to Pulsechain. I'm going to do a step-by-step here. If we go to scan.pulsechain.com, we go to the apps. We go to the apps, we're going to hit Pulse Ramp Bridge. We're going to go to the Pulse Ramp Bridge. We're going to connect our wallet. Got to be on the Ethereum network. Connect our wallet. This is a burner wallet. I'm just doing this for just to show you the step-by-step. I'm going to do 0.022 ETH. Okay. And then it's showing I'm going to get 0.0219 ETH over. So I think the assets that you can send There's quite a few actually. Once we hopefully get our W Pulse from that other site, we're gonna have to bridge that over as well. I'm gonna show you how to bridge it. I'm not going to bridge anything right now myself because I'm gonna wait to see if I get that W Pulse. I'm not really in a hurry. The prices are really fluctuating like crazy. I don't think you're gonna get a super deal right now. I think it's gonna kind of pump up and then kind of level out. I'm just going to kind of wait and see what happens. But I wanted to see if that W pulse goes through because I honestly think that might be a good deal. I'm not sure yet. I'm actually not sure. It's all risky right now. It's all super risky right now. I'm just going to keep telling you that. None of this is financial advice. So if you were to bridge over, you connect your Ethereum wallet, and whatever asset you're going to bridge over, if it's HEX, if it's DAI, if it's USDT, you're just going to choose that asset and you're just going to bridge it. You do have to pay this bridge fee, plus you do have to pay an Ethereum gas fee. I almost went through to do it, and the Ethereum gas fee was almost $20. So my decision was to wait and see if I get that W Pulse. If I do get that W Pulse, then I'm going to make a more informed decision on what I'm going to send over. But in my mind, I need that W Pulse no matter what, because I'm not going to be able to do any transactions on Pulsechain until I get that. So my first priority was to get that W Pulse from that site, and that's from that Twitter account. That's gasbridge.anvil.app. Go ahead and try to do an update as soon as I figure out what happens with this. If I get the W Pulse and I'm able to bridge that over, I will do another video showing it. If I'm not able to, then I'm not. I'll try to keep you updated in the comments. If you guys comment in the if something in the comments, any questions, I definitely will answer them as best I can. All of this is speculation, so nobody knows what the price of anything is going to be, and if Pulse is going to be higher than Pulsex. Nobody knows that. Right now, it's all speculation. So I'm just trying to do my best to inform you how to bridge anything over, and I'm basically doing it on as a test to see if I can even do it. So I'm going to try this gas bridge thing, and then if it works, then I'll let you guys know. So I know this video is a mess. I'm just trying to get information out as soon as possible, and I wanted to just do this experiment because that's what this is, to see if I can even get the W Pulse off of this gas bridge. One quick overview, what I am doing is I'm trying to deposit a little bit of ETH into this gas bridge, and hopefully I'm going to get W Pulse back out. What I'm going to do with the W Pulse is I'm going to take that over to the other bridge, the Pulsechain bridge, and hopefully I'm able to bridge that over. If I can bridge that over, then I'll bridge some other assets over to Pulsechain. That's what I'm doing. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.